Hey guys, in today's video let's take a look at Polk Audio Signa S3, a slim TV soundbar and wireless subwoofer with built-in Chromecast. The Signa S3 is designed to enhance the sound quality of your TV or home entertainment system. It features a slim design and includes a soundbar and a wireless subwoofer for improved bass response. The system supports Dolby Digital decoding and utilizes Polk Audio's patented voice adjust technology, which aims to enhance dialogue clarity. The Signa S3 also offers multiple connectivity options, including HDMI ARC, optical, auxiliary inputs, Chromecast built-in, and Bluetooth. The HDMI ARC allows for a simplified setup by connecting the soundbar to your TV using a single HDMI cable, enabling seamless audio transmission and volume control through your TV remote. The optical and auxiliary inputs cater to devices without HDMI connectivity. Looking at the design, the Polk Audio Signa S3 features a sleek and modern design that blends well with most home entertainment setups. The soundbar itself is slim and compact, measuring approximately 35.5 inches in width, 2.15 inches in height, and 3.22 inches in depth. This low-profile design allows it to be easily placed in front of your TV or mounted on a wall using the included mounting hardware. The wireless subwoofer is also compact, making it convenient to position in your room without taking up too much space. The sub delivers deep bass frequencies, enhancing the overall audio experience. The wireless connectivity eliminates the need for long cables and allows for flexible placement within your room. The Signa S3 supports various audio formats, including Dolby Digital decoding. This ensures compatibility with most modern audio sources, such as Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, and streaming devices that deliver content in Dolby Digital format. While it does not support more advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos or DTS-X, it still provides an enhanced audio experience compared to standard TV speakers. The sound quality of the Polk Audio Signa S3 is impressive considering its compact size. The soundbar houses 2 mid-range drivers and 2 tweeters, while the wireless subwoofer contributes to delivering deep and impactful bass. The system offers a total power output of 200 watts, which is more than sufficient for most small to medium-sized rooms. The sound signature is generally well-balanced, with clear dialogue and detailed mid-range, and the subwoofer adds a satisfying low-end punch to movies, music, and games. The Signa S3 incorporates Polk Audio's voice adjust technology, which allows you to customize the voice levels independently. This feature is particularly useful for enhancing dialogue clarity, ensuring that speech remains clear and intelligible even during action-packed scenes or noisy environments. Choose from 3 distinct levels to reproduce clear, crisp dialogue and never miss a single word of your favorite movie, TV show, or sporting event. The Polk Audio Signa S3 soundbar supports Google Assistant integration. This means that you can use the soundbar with a Google Assistant-enabled device, such as a Google Home speaker or a smartphone with Google Assistant, to control certain functions of the soundbar using voice commands. With the Works with Google Assistant feature, you can use voice commands to adjust the volume, change inputs, and control basic playback functions of the Signa S3. Additionally, you can incorporate the soundbar into your smart home setup and control it alongside other compatible smart devices using Google Assistant. Google Chromecast Builtin, also known as Chromecast or Chromecast Audio, is a feature that allows you to stream audio content wirelessly from your mobile devices or computers to compatible audio devices like the Polk Audio Signa S3. With Chromecast Builtin, you can effortlessly stream music, podcasts, and other audio content directly from supported apps on your mobile device or computer to the Signa S3 soundbar. This eliminates the need for physical connections or pairing procedures, providing a convenient and wireless streaming experience. Chromecast Builtin supports a broad range of popular audio streaming apps, including Spotify, Google Play Music, Pandora, Deezer, TuneIn, and many more. Looking in the box, you will find soundbar, subwoofer, remote control, HDMI cable, optical cable, 2 power cords and soundbar power supply, and a quick start guide. Overall, the Polk Audio Signa S3 soundbar system offers an excellent combination of design, features, and sound quality. It provides a significant audio upgrade over built-in TV speakers, immersing you in a more engaging and cinematic sound experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the Signa S3 delivers clear dialogue, balanced sound, and impactful bass, making it a solid choice for enhancing your home entertainment setup. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.